The LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner offers a powerful and versatile solution for maintaining clean floors and surfaces throughout your home. With up to 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge, this rechargeable, lightweight vacuum is ideal for cleaning both carpets and hard floors. Its tangle-resistant design makes it perfect for tackling pet hair, and its slim profile allows for easy maneuvering around furniture. Whether you're cleaning up after pets or keeping your home dust-free, this vacuum's powerful suction ensures that even the most stubborn dirt and debris are quickly removed, all without the hassle of cords. Users have praised the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum for its tangle-resistant design, which makes cleaning up pet hair a breeze without the constant need to untangle brush rollers. The powerful suction is another standout feature, performing well on both carpets and hard floors, making it a versatile option for various surfaces. The lightweight design and cordless convenience are especially appreciated, as they make the vacuum easy to carry and maneuver, even in hard-to-reach areas. With up to 50 minutes of battery life, it's well suited for larger cleaning tasks without needing frequent recharges. While the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum offers plenty of convenience, there are a few potential downsides to keep in mind. Some users have noted that the vacuum's suction power can diminish as the battery level drops, making it less effective toward the end of a cleaning session. Additionally, the dustbin capacity may be smaller than expected, requiring more frequent emptying during large or heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Finally, though it handles pet hair well, some users reported that very thick carpets may still require multiple passes for thorough cleaning. All in all, the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a great option for those looking for a lightweight, versatile vacuum with strong suction and pet-friendly features. Its tangle-resistant design, 50-minute battery life, and easy handling make it a reliable tool for everyday cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. While there may be some limitations in suction consistency and dustbin size, the overall convenience of cordless operation and its effective performance make it an excellent choice for keeping your home tidy and pet hair-free. If you found this review helpful and want to explore more, don't miss out. Check the product using the link in the description and see it for yourself.